biscuit.
Bye, Wilbur! That was so nice of Tara to give us such a great gift. The Dynamites will be ready for their nap once they finish their bottles.
Well, my raptor drank from the creek and he feels just fine. Don't you, Yappy? Yappy, you are sick. You mean...
See? They want the PU plant. You said it, girl. Ma and Pa's fresh apple pie always tastes good.
And sounds good, too.
Great catch! Now that Flopper has a nice full tummy.
Oh, dear. Is that bubblitis? I don't think I have the tools on me for that.
But we've got just the tools we need to figure this out right here. Your Yum Yum plum cakes might look kooky, John, but they sure are yummy. Thanks, little brother. Maybe Blitz and I are great dino bakers after all. Whoa! I hope that's fast-acting medicine! Uh-oh, I think he's cured. Nice catch, dinos. You three have eaten so many of Ma's treats, you're never gonna want another cupcake again. Ew. I'll go get my stethoscope so I can listen to your tummy. Now, all I have to do is burp you.
Being a good dino doctor takes skill and training, but it also takes a lot of tender, loving care, especially when one of your patients is a frightened baby Spinosaur or a nervous dino daddy.